Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this fourth product promo series video, we are going to make a footwear promo inside Filmora 13. First, let's see the preview. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. First, drop the background image on track 1. Make it 9 seconds long. Then drop the crumbled paper wallpaper on track 2. Make it 9 seconds long. Then go to the color, then to curves and make it darker. Then drop the red strip on track 3. At the start, take it out of the frame and on position keyframe. Then after 25 frames, reset the position. Then click on keyframe panel. Select the last keyframe and ease out. Adjust the point to get smoother animation. Then duplicate it on above track. Make the 6th frame as a start point. Hold the Alt key and drop the second strip to replace the first strip. Now place the playhead on the 12th frame and duplicate the second strip. Then replace it with the third strip. Then adjust the duration and you will get this type of smooth animation. Then drop the first shoe image on the track. Adjust the scale and position. Then at second frame, take the some part of shoe out of the frame. Adjust the position. Then change opacity to 0%. Then on scale, position and opacity keyframes. Then at 1 second, change opacity to 100 and adjust the X position to bring shoe in the middle. Then select the position and keyframe, ease out it and adjust the point to make a smooth animation. Select the opacity last keyframe and ease it out and adjust the point. So you will get this kind of animation. Then after 10 frames, add a blank keyframe. Then after every 20 frames, change the shoe Y position up and down to make a floating movement. Then place the element PNG on the top track and at a start, take it out of the frame. Then at the 21st frame, reset the scale. Then go to the title and drop the default title on the above track. Then choose font of your choice. Enter the shoe name. Change the font color to strip color, then change font size to 47 and place it on the left upper corner. Then at second frame, go to the video and take the shoe name out of the frame and on position keyframe, opacity to 0% and on a keyframe. Then at 20th frame, reset the position and opacity. Then select the end keyframe and ease out the keyframe. Then adjust the point position towards the left side. Then select opacity keyframe, ease out and drag the point towards the downward side. Then at 4 seconds, add a blank keyframe for opacity. Then after 8 frames, change opacity to 0 and ease out the keyframe. Then drop the default title at the 11th frame. Change the font and change the font size to 20. Place it under the shoe name and then enter the type of shoes. And then create a slide in with fade in animation. Then duplicate the title on above track. Adjust the position and enter the key highlights of the shoes. And from animation, choose typewriter animation. Duplicate the shoe type title on above track and remove the keyframes. Adjust the position and place it on the left lower side. Change font color to strip color. Then enter the shoe price. Change font to bold font and create a fade in animation. Adjust the opacity keyframes and change last keyframes to ease out. Then drop the logo and place it on the top left corner and create slide in with fade effect. Then shift track 6 and above tracks clips 1 track above. Duplicate the shoe image and place it at 4 seconds. And replace the shoe image with the second shoe image. Now split the strips at 4 seconds and 17 frame using color tab and change the color to white and grey to match it with the shoe's color. Then apply dissolve transition on all strips for 16 frames. Then create fade out effect on all text for 8 frames. Then shift logo 4 track above and copy titles and paste them and place them on second shoe. And change the shoe name and text color and other details. Then go to the effects and apply auto enhance effect and sharpen effect. Remove the end keyframes. If you don't have a time and want to create a quick Black Friday promo, check out Black Friday templates for fashion, sales, food, and much more. Check out the Filmora templates tab for more awesome templates. Now let's render the project to see the final preview. That's it. This is how you can create an awesome product promo video for the footwear. Even you can create a shorts using the same process. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye. To access more tutorials, click on the link to the Filmora Creator Hub.